Didn't subscribe yet? Do subscribe, and to never miss a video from my channel, click on the bell button.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my channel. Today I am back with a recipe from my childhood and my all-time favorite. This is chocolate cake, and the speciality of this cake is it's eggless. So let's go ahead and prepare the chocolate cake. To prepare chocolate cake, first let us take cocoa powder or chocolate powder as per your taste, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, powdered sugar as per your taste, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, oil 2 cups, milk made 200 ml, Thums up and maida 6 cups. Please use the same cup to measure oil and maida. For 3 cups of maida, use 1 cup of oil. Let's take out all the lumps from the powdered ingredients except sugar. So adding in maida, baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder and removing all the lumps. Then let us take a bowl and add the oil, sugar and milk made. Mix well with the hand grinder. Add Thums up. Add powdered ingredients and mix well. Add vanilla essence and mix well. To adjust the consistency, if required, add some more Thums up. Make a smooth paste. Take a baking tray and put oil paper. Preheat the baking tray for 2 minutes. Add the cake batter. and microwave for 8 minutes. And then at 200 degrees centigrade, convection it for 8 minutes. If your microwave doesn't have convection facility, then normally microwave it for 12 minutes. To confirm if the cake is cooked, let us take a toothpick and insert it if it comes out clean. So your cake is ready. Let it cool down completely. Then remove the cake and remove the butter paper. Taking another plate just to flip it. And cut the cake. See how much spongy and fluffy the cake has come out? So go ahead and prepare this chocolate cake and enjoy. But before you do that, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, then hit the red subscribe button below and also the bell button besides it. Until we meet next time, bye bye.